I am still learning how to embrace my black beauty. Listen, the price of these eggs, y'all better be making sure that y'all checking y'all eggs to make sure there ain't no cracks, crevices, or nothing in between. Why every time I want to go out in public, the public show up? What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and in today's video we are resetting for Sunday, which means we gotta clean, go to the store, and meal prep. And you know, meal prepping takes all the time in the world, but and we're gonna set up for our week, actually make an agenda and stuff, because I'm not gonna lie, I have been falling off the bandwagon. So I'm finna get ready, or I'm finna get in the shower real quick, and then when I'm putting my stuff on or whatever, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all. If your mirror don't look like this, did you shower? On the face, because on the face, no, don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. There's another one waiting for you. Hang on. There's another one waiting. Hang on. Y'all, I am still learning how to embrace my black beauty. But this is so cute. Like, I did a wash and go where I washed my hair and I styled it to go to bed on Friday, and it is Sunday, and yesterday I didn't do nothing, so I didn't record or nothing, but it came out cute. But I'm starting to see, like, with the wash and goes, like, the more you leave it alone, or like the more you let it sit in, the more it looks so cute. And the back is kind of longer because I was trying to, what was I trying to do? I was trying to blow dry it, like, to give it more length, and then I was like, nah, I like it how it is. So that's why it's like over manipulated in the back, but the front is cute. And I'm trying to learn, like, more about, like, my hair texture and stuff like that. But I guess I am a low porosity girl, and I have 4C hair. I know I have 4C hair. Don't let the curls get it twisted. I am a 4C girly. It's just we can get them curls, okay? Curls for the girls. But I'm recording, like, a TikTok and a YouTube video. I'm doing both today. It's a lot, but I am putting this on today. It's called Fancy Blush. Let me show both of y'all. It's hard creating content for 2 different platforms, and then TikTok got me looking a little bit better, and then YouTube got me looking a little crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. But this is what the bottle looks like. It is so cute. She's so cute. You know, we gotta hit the what okay, really, two is good, but I'm over dramatic, so let's go to the store. Before we go to the store, I do want to take my car through the car wash. I don't have to wash the inside out of it or nothing, because we already did that not last video, but the video before last, and it came out cute. So, or not, it came out cute, it came out good. So we don't have to organize, we don't have to do any of that, we don't have to clean it, okay? So the Sunday reset does not include the car besides getting it washed. I don't know, y'all, this is something different for me. Y'all never see me like this. Like, if you are a natural hair girly, let me know what you be doing to maintain your hair, what good products that you use and stuff like that. Because for me, I only used, hold on, let me show y'all. I used water, and then I did it in sections. So I did water, then I did miel, and then I combed that through, raked that through with my detangle brush, or my dimming brush, what I like to call a dimming brush. And then I had put a little bit of gel in it, just raking it through and stuff like that. And then I had started coiling, or doing shingles, what I've seen other natural people say. So do shingles. And then I had, what else did I do? Oh, I did the this method, the scrunchie method, for keeping my hair stretched overnight and stuff like that. And then I have 2 bobby pins in the front because I don't have natural bangs, so I made some bobby pins in front so we could do that or whatever. But yeah, I'm fucking done.
literally so done recording off of TikTok. I was recording earlier and this shit didn't even save, y'all. Like, I'm so fucking pissed. So now I'm back to Snapchat.
Another one. We the best music. DJ Cat.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with you. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town, I hit with you.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against middle ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga ain't a player, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We up what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now.
Listen, the price of these eggs, y'all better be making sure that y'all checking y'all eggs to make sure there ain't no cracks, crevices, or nothing in between, because
Wanna fuck me now, but you wanna love me down. Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the button like a button, keep more time for your time. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumping, jumping. Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you beat? Peace, that's Southeast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my.
hey, look, real fast. Look at this. She gonna get them angles, okay? Okay, so I just got back from the store. I'm about to go ahead and start meal prepping just to get that out of the way. The things that I'm be meal prepping is breakfast, lunch, and then. But the things with them, the two, is I just want to make some breakfast sandwiches with turkey sausages and eggs, and then just wrap them up in foil, let that be that. The other thing is going to be cut up chicken breast, potatoes, and broccoli. And then the other thing is mashed potatoes, steak, and asparagus. So y'all finna just make this with me real fast, and then we'll clean up after, because child, please, like, it's a lot. Okay, y'all, I was waiting on my camera to charge, but I've been cooking. I made breakfast sandwiches. It has cheese, turkey, sausage, and it has egg in the other ones, but I ain't have enough for the muffin pans, or I didn't make enough because I didn't think that I was gonna eat it today. But this is good. The steak and the chicken is in the oven, and then I'm making the broccoli and the sides and stuff right now. So I'll show y'all the rest of the process. I got y'all. So big they won't even fit in my freaking cup holder. It literally has everything in it. It has pineapple, watermelon, cucumbers. It has coconut in there, and I didn't realize that it had coconut until I had left or whatever. Okay, so we just gonna have to put these in a seatbelt. Like, cause realistically, what we gonna do, you know? Here we're home and I got my fruit cup. Alright, let's see. I got a bag. I think this is mango. If y'all have not had a fruit cup with tahini and spicy lime and stuff, the whole fix, go get you some. Basically, I'm just gonna look at the rest of the things that I have to do for March. Look at the rest of the things that I have to do for March and try to initiate them this week, because I feel like last week I just really wasn't feeling it, like, and I just have to really get out of this funk and stay out of this freaking funk, because at the end of the day it's gonna keep coming and going, but it's just about how you pick it up and how you keep going regardless of that funk coming and going. Like, you can't keep letting it dictate your mood, like, no. So I think I've been doing good with posting daily on TikTok. That 75 soft, I want to try again, because I did not last no time. And I just really need to incorporate the quote that I have, like, if you get tired, learn to rest and not to quit. And you may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. So that's something that I just need to stick with me and, like, just realize, like, bro, it's okay. Like, it's okay to not have everything figured out. It's okay for it to not go how you want it to go. It's okay. We're human. We figuring out. We navigating. So I'm gonna just go ahead and update this. It shouldn't take long, then we gonna get on up out of here. Okay, so I have my week of what I want to do and what I have planned for the week to get done, and then I have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday done as far as, like, what I need to get done. But I kind of want to stop there and then check in by Tuesday to, like, make my agenda for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, because I already know that next weekend I'm gonna start my monthly reset vlog, but I want to see where I get, how far I get done with this agenda for the 3 days before I start planning the rest of the days, just to see, because, like, of course it fluctuates and stuff. But that is all for this Sunday reset vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it so much, and just let me know how you Sunday reset. What's your Sunday reset routine, if you have one? If you don't have one, what you be doing on Sundays? You be chilling, you be watching, what shows you be watching? Like, I mean, your business. But make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notified every time that I post it and the Alexis out. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.